We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words from Spanish as well. This is a word meaning a lot of something. When there is a lot of something, this is what you can say in Spanish. There are several places named that way as well. In Spanish, from Spain, this is said as mogollón. Mogollón. You do want to stress on the last syllable, that's why the accent is there. In South America, though, this would be said as mogollón, mogollón, but in Spain, mogollón. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words from Spanish whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.